Welcome back. Now, from within the lecture screen, you can also add in an audio if that is what you want to deliver, if you want to stream that audio to your customer. And it works the same way that it would if you're going to stream a video. You can come into the audio section, and what you're going to see here is that there is a link where you can drag in to your page an audio element. We're going to drag that element in. That link is then available. You're going to see something that looks like an audio player. You will then click on top of that player. What you will then see is that you have choices in the way that you can deliver the audio. What you can do is you can have a direct link where you're going to have a URL. Now that URL needs to have an MP3 at the end in order to play it. You can also upload an audio file, which is likely the easiest way to do it. We're going to click on Upload Audio File. We're then going to click on the File area. If you already have files uploaded, you can use them here in this element. Otherwise, you can upload an element to System. You will also see all of the audio files that can be uploaded to your System element in order to play the audio for your customer. We're going to click on your audio. We already have an audio file available. We're going to click Insert. We're then going to save the changes. Those changes are now saved. We are then going to preview the element. We can then click on the audio element.
Hey everyone, if you're listening, you're probably
So our audio is now working properly. So you can also deliver streaming audio to your customer inside of a lecture, inside of a module, and inside of a course in your Systeme.io account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.